Hey guys, in this course we will going to teach you about custom GPTs. Okay, so what are these custom GPTs and how you can use it? So here you can see we have created some of the custom GPT. What is the purpose of this custom GPT? Okay, and how you can give instructions, how you can do configure settings, what are the requirements, how to operate this. Everything has been taught in this free course, so make sure you watch this free course from starting to end. It will going to help you to learn about the custom GPT feature which ChatGPT has provided you. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn about custom GPT, so do enroll inside this course and watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you a lot. So now what is custom GPT? So that is what we will going to teach you now. Okay, and do not worry how you can access it and all. We will going to guide you everything. So if you will just going to open your ChatGPT, so here you can see that we have, just for an example, calendar wizard. So now you can create this calendar wizard GPT. Okay, you can also create, let's say, games on Apple like I have created. And similarly, if you will just going to click on the explore tab, so you will going to get the option to create the GPT. So you can create your own GPT. Now that GPT will be a customized version of a chat GPT for the specific purpose. So for your specific purpose, you guys can create your custom GPT, okay, which you guys can see over here, right? So this is very powerful, and of course we will going to guide you step by step how you can create this type of custom GPT. And you can see there are plenty of custom GPT by default created. Okay, we have lots of list, and you can see in front of that it's written by ChatGPT. So here you can see like this GPT is created for a tech support advisor. That means this GPT will going to help you from setting up your printer to troubleshooting a device, and it will going to guide you for that. So similarly, you can create your own custom GPT for any single purpose. Maybe you are running one restaurant, so for that restaurant you can create one custom GPT that can guide you step by step everything you will going to ask, like voice tone, okay, methods, what you offer in your restaurant, and plenty of more things, right? And here you guys can see over here we have, let's say, laundry buddy. So this is the GPT that will going to ask you anything about stains, settings, sortings, and everything related to laundry. So this is what the custom GPT is, and do not worry, inside this course we will step by step guide you how you can create your own custom GPT with lots of practical examples, or with very in-depth guide for this. Okay, now guys, to create your custom GPT you need to have your account in OpenAI. So what you can do is that you can just search for OpenAI on your browser, click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see we have this particular domain, that is openai.com, right? So this is the company which has created tools like ChatGPT. So in simple, understand this thing in a very simple language, that ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company who has created ChatGPT. Along with ChatGPT, they have also created some other tools as well, like DALL-E, and they have also created some models. You can also consider it a type of products only. So you can see with the help of OpenAI company you can do many things. Okay, for example, you guys can generate images. You can see here they have products, click on explore all products. Okay, and here you guys will going to see they have GPT. So GPT is a model that is used by ChatGPT. So if you will just go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, so here you guys will going to notice we have GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. okay, so basically GPT 3.5 is a model, okay, that is being used by tools like ChatGPT. Okay, similarly you can also use their GPT model to create your own ChatGPT, but that is kind of a different topic. We will not going to discuss it right now. Okay, and similarly there are other models like DALL-E. This will going to help you to generate images. Okay, so so basically if you will just go here to labs.openai.com, so you can see this DALL-E model is being used by their application known as DALL-E. Okay, so you can simply write anything, the image you want to generate, and when you will click on generate button, this will going to generate the image for you. Similarly, they have more products like Whisper. So basically this will going to convert audio to text. Okay, you just have to upload your audio and this will going to convert that into a text, right? For example, here you can see this is one input.
This is the Micro Machine Man presenting the most midget.
And you can see whatever it has said in the audio, it's writing that in the form of text, right? So similarly basically the OpenAI is a company who has created lots of models. So model you can consider, you can see models, you can consider them like a product. Okay, they have created one GPT product for you to use. They've also created DALL-E product for you to use it. Similarly Whisper, and there are many more. Okay, let's not discuss about that, but the idea is very simple. If you just click on the OpenAI logo, so you will go to openai.com, and from here what you guys can do is that you can create your account. So when you will going to create your account in openai.com, so automatically you can access to all the products of OpenAI, including ChatGPT. So simply just click on this login button from here, and this will going to take you guys to login. Okay, so if you already have your account, just log in and continue. But if you're totally new, so you will see this option, don't have an account, click on this sign up button. Okay, and from here you guys can just put your email address. You can also use the Google, Microsoft or Apple to sign up to the OpenAI account. Okay, so that's totally up to you. It's very simple. After that it will going to ask you your phone number for a verification, and after that it will going to allow you to use their platform. Okay, so when you will going to create your account, so that is how this will going to look. You will basically going to land to the free version of ChatGPT 3.5. okay, so in that way, basically if you will, after creating your account, if it will not going to redirect you, so just simply click on chat.openai.com, or you can just search for ChatGPT. Okay, click on ChatGPT and click on login, then automatically it will basically going to redirect you here, because you already have created your account in platform.openai.com, right? So it's very simple and easy. There is nothing complicated, and in this way you guys can create your account in ChatGPT, and automatically it will also basically, if you will see, after you will create your account in platform, so it may redirect you here, but from here you can just type chat.openai.com, so it will redirect you to the ChatGPT. Okay, so there is nothing complicated over here. And one more thing which I just want to tell you guys is that if you will just go here, let me just log in first of all. Okay, this is my another account. Let's wait, and you can see I've logged in. So basically here you can see models. I have taught you that models are basically the different products which ChatGPT OpenAI has created for you to use. Like GPT, we have already discussed two GPTs. One is the DALL-E product, third is TTS, fourth is Whisper, and there are other products. Now if you want to use, let's say, GPT, that means GPT means chat GPT, okay, because you can see GPT 3.5. so this chat GPT 3.5 is using this GPT 3.5 model, okay, by OpenAI. Okay, so if you want to use this particular model, that is GPT 3.5, okay, or I can say chat GPT 3.5. So in that case, what you can do is that you can access to my free course. So you can just search for Cuckoo courses, click on enter button, and after that just go to this website, that is cuckoocourses.com. click on this website, and after you will come to this particular website, you just have to scroll at very bottom, and after that you guys will going to see we have this option called as free courses. So simply click on the free courses button, and then it will going to redirect you here, and from here you can just search for prompt, click on enter, and then you guys will going to see we have this free course here. Okay, this is the course, that is prompt engineering masterclass plus 5 practical examples using ChatGPT. So simply click on this course. You do not have to sign up, you don't have to put your credit card details, just click on the start learning button, and you can access this free course without any trouble. Okay, so just wait for the player to load it. You can see using ChatGPT you will going to learn a lot of things. So if you are totally new who don't know how to use ChatGPT, so this is the course you have to watch, okay, and this I recommend you, so just play it. Hey guys, wait for few seconds, I want to show you something over here. Okay, let's wait for the player to load it inside this course. Okay, hey guys, so here you can see in the free course you will going to learn lots of things like NLP, LLM, AI, GPT with prompt engineering, and there are plenty of things we have taught in this free course. So make sure, just for your more better understanding of how to operate ChatGPT, this is the course which you should prefer. Okay, so watch it from starting to end, it will kind of really going to help you a lot. Okay, and it's the recommended but totally optional. If you want to watch this course you can, it's totally free for you for always. Okay, so make sure just watch it, it will just going to help you in a double way. Okay, so that's how you guys can create your account in OpenAI and you can access ChatGPT. Okay, now guys we will going to talk about the requirements. So what are the requirements to use custom GPT? So here you can see right now I am in ChatGPT 3.5, that means I'm using GPT 3.5 version, which is totally free for everyone. Okay, and in my another account you can see that I'm in GPT 4. Okay, that is the paid version of ChatGPT. So to access the custom GPT option, you can see here the explore option. You basically need to have the ChatGPT Pro version, because here you can see right now it's my account which has free ChatGPT 3.5, and after you have signed up, so most probably you are the same person who will going to get the same GPT 3.5. that means you will by default going to get GPT 3.5 and you will see no explore option over here. Okay, so in that case the thing is that you just need to get GPT 4. Okay, so if you will just going to click on upgrade to plus, and here you will going to get the option to access the ChatGPT. Okay, and this will going to cost you approx $20 per month. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT which you have to purchase, and this is basically the requirement for this course, because you can see you can use the custom GPTs only when you will going to have the plus version of ChatGPT. Okay, so you can see access to GPT 4. Okay, browse and create. Okay, and you can also use DALL-E and another advanced stuff, everything inside the ChatGPT plus version. So make sure that you guys click on this upgrade to plus option, Okay, and then it will basically going to ask you to make payment by asking you some details. Okay, just put the card details, okay, and make payment. And then after you will going to make payment, automatically your chat gpt will be upgraded automatically to GPT-4. Okay, and after you will going to make payment. Okay, so this is how your chat gpt will going to look like. You can just move to the free version of GPT, that means chat gpt 3.5, which is the free version, and of course you can also move to the chat gpt 4, which is of course the paid version of chat gpt. Okay, so in nutshell, the requirement for this course will be to have chat gpt 4, because this is the paid version, and when I am recording this course, it is the pricing is $20 per month. Okay, so this is the model which you have to purchase, and then only you will going to get the option of explore, and when you will click on explore, then only you will going to get the option to create your gpt. So this is the requirement for this course. Make sure you guys fulfill this requirement by purchasing the GPT-4. Okay, so after you will purchase it, you can just continue to watch the course. Okay, so I hope you guys have purchased the chat gpt plus version. So just go to that chat gpt 4, click on this open sidebar, click on this explore option, then you guys will going to see we will going to get the option to create a gpt. Okay, so click on this create a gpt. Okay, now you can see right now we are in the complete blank, okay, structure for our gpt. Now we have to customize it and we have to update it whenever possible. So now you can see here we have the gpt builder. So basically gpt builder will going to help you to create your gpt. So it's asking, hi, I will help you build a new gpt. You can say something like make a creative who helps generate visual for new product, or make a software engineer who helps format my code. Okay, so similarly, what would you like to make? So let's say for this purpose we want to make a Domino's expert. Okay, Domino's pizza list. Okay, so we want to create some gpt which is expert in Domino's, right? So we can say like I want you to create a Domino's pizza expert who can answer everything related to Domino's. Okay, okay, so you can just put this just for an example. Okay, and Domino's pizza expert. Okay, just click on the send button or click on the enter button from here. Okay, and after you guys will going to do this, and you will going to see that your gpt builder will going to update, okay, your gpt, and it may take few seconds, so just wait for the it to get complete. Okay, and here you can see it's saying let's make the Domino's pizza expert. How about the name Domino's Guru? Would you like to confirm this name or suggest another? So here you guys can see that Domino's Guru. So if you're interested, so you can say to your gpt, yes, I am interested with the name of my gpt as a Domino Guru. Okay, and after you will going to give the confirmation, you guys will going to see that it will going to generate profile picture for your gpt, which will going to look up over here. Okay, so you can see it's updated, and here's the profile picture of your Domino's Guru. It features a vibrant cartoonish pizza slice, get against a bright red color. Do you like this design, or would you like to make any changes? So if you want to make changes, you can tell to it, but let's say I'm agree to it, so I will going to say this looks great, thanks, awesome. Click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see fantastic. Okay, to start, let's consider the role and goals. You mentioned Domino's Guru should be an expert on Domino's Pizza. Should this expertise focus primarily on menu items, nutrition informations, and also include the brand history store? So you can say everything. Okay, everything above. Okay, so we want to make it expert in everything, whether it's related to nutritional information, menus, location, brand history, or for anything. Okay, so let's wait. And now it's basically asking, great, Domino's now can cover a wide range of Domino's related topic. Next, let's discuss what should be the emphasized or avoided. For example, should Domino's Guru, that means your GPT, refrain from discussing Domino's competitor? So you can say yes. Okay, so in this way, my friends, you guys can see that you can just talk to your GPT builder, and it will going to create a complete GPT for you. Okay, and you can tell your GPT builder anything you want to do with your custom GPT. Okay, so now you can see how would you like Domino's Guru to handle situations where user question is unclear. Okay, should it ask for clarification or make an educated based on available Domino's Pizza information? So now it's asking that when a user has unclear, so you can say when any question is unclear, okay, to user, try to search for that query and give user answer to it, and at bottom of response mention our contact email, which is abc @ let's say gmail.com. Awesome. So now you guys can see, my friends, now it's saying suppose a user is talking with our GPT, and after answering all things, still that user is not satisfied with the response. So we have said that do the research, okay, on the internet for that question if possible, okay, to respond the user with the correct answer. Otherwise, tell that user to email us on this particular email ID. Of course, this is just a dummy ID which I have put. And if I will just going to click on the send button, so now you guys will going to see that now it's updating your GPT, right? So let's wait for a few seconds, and you can see Domino's is now shaping up lightly. For the final test, let's personalize the Domino's Guru responses. How should it talk? Would you like it friendly, casual, or something more formal or professional? So I can say friendly. Awesome. So now whenever anyone will going to use, or maybe you even going to use your GPT, so how will be the tuning of your GPT? So that is what you are saying over here. Okay. So now it's again asking you some questions. Feel free to let me know. Okay, so everything is done. Still, if you have some requirement or something which you want your GPT to do, so you can just tell to your GPT builder, it will going to do for that. But in simple, this is how you guys have, you know, created your custom GPT, and there are lots of configurations. We will going to talk about that as well. Okay. If in case if you want to edit something, okay, let's say on your custom GPT, let's say you are not liking the logo or Domino's Guru and all, so how you can change it? So it's also very simple. Let's say if I just go and search for, let's say, Domino's logo, let's say this is the Domino's logo over here. Okay, so I can just save this image just for an example. Awesome. And after that, I can just go to my custom GPT and I can say and upload first of all here in the file. Okay, this was the logo. Okay, so you can see I have just uploaded this logo. Okay, if you want, you can as well. Okay, now here you can say, hey, can you make the logo similar to the Domino's logo, so that people will feel like they are talking with some official Domino's expert. Okay, click on enter. So now I just said that this is the logo of Domino's, so can you make the logo very much similar to this? Okay, so people can easily resemble that. Okay, this is the Domino's Guru and this is the logo of it, so that might be something special. So here you guys can see that this is the logo. It has automatically put on your GPT. Okay, uploaded to the resemble of Domino's logo to enhance the official feel. Okay, so it will now going to give the official feeling to your GPT. Okay, so in this way you can tell to your GPT builder itself to change the logo, to do this and that. Okay, similarly, for example, I'm not liking this name, so I can say hey, can you change the name of Domino's Guru? Can you list down 10 best names below, so I can pick one? Okay, so I'm just saying now to GPT builder that I'm not liking this name, so instead of this name, can you list some 10 best names which you can generate, and out of that I will going to pick one. Okay, so here you can see that it has created some names. Okay, so for example, let's say I put, let's say okay, I can say, hey, can you list down names again? Make sure the names which you will list down for me to choose must have word Domino's. Okay, must have word Domino's, right? So wait, let me just, okay, so must have the word Domino's. Okay, now click on enter button. Now I'm saying that these words are okay, but when you so I now said that again, just put more 10 names, but in all the names Domino should be mentioned. So now here you can see, that I have got so much words, so I can put one. Okay, so let's say I can put Domino's mentor. Okay, so I can say I'm let's say Domino wizard, or I can say Domino specialist. Okay, or you can just simply uh, uh, tell to your GPT builder, select 81. Okay, like that. Click on enter button, and now it will going to change the name to the Domino's specialist. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Domino's specialist. Okay, so it has understood that you are talking about the Domino's. So now you can see it has changed the name to the Domino's specialist, right? So that's a very great thing, and in this way you can just do anything you want. You can even edit the any logo and all. You can even do something which you want to do with your GPT. So you just have to tell that to your GPT builder, it will going to do each and everything. And one more thing, when you will going to click on the customize, so here you guys will going to see that whatever we are saying okay, in the instructions, basically here to the GPT builder, it is automatically going to add in your instruction over here. Okay, so you will see that in the above conversation we have said that when a customer will not going to get the response, so tell them to contact on this particular email. So that instruction has also been added over here. So similarly, whatever you will going to talk in your GPT builder, so on that basis automatically the instructions will going to change automatically here. Okay, so that is what I just want to tell you, how you can edit each and everything in your custom GPT. Okay, now guys, let's just go to configure, and we have told you about the instructions, right? Instructions in your custom GPT. So you can just simply click on this arrow button, which you guys can see over here. Okay, so when you will going to click here, so you can just see it will going to open the box, and here you can write as well. Okay, so for example, you can say like when let me just go to Domino's. Okay, and let me just see the Domino's pizzas menu. Okay, so now let's say if I put here do not include non-veg pizza. Okay, when okay, so I can put okay, or I can say something like this: when user will ask about non-veg pizza, so tell him that I am unaware about it. Awesome. So let's just go ahead. Okay, so I have now give the instructions to the custom GPT that you don't have to reply to the non-veg pizza. Okay, so wait, let me just see. Awesome. Okay, so if I just say here, okay, of course you can chat as well to test your custom GPT. Okay, how many non-veg pizzas you have? Okay, so I can just ask, let's say, this question here. Click on enter button. Okay, and just wait for the few seconds, and you can see as you have instructed here to your Domino's pizza expert that do not answer when user will ask something related to non-veg. So now it has said that I'm sorry, I don't have information about it. Now if you will just going to refresh it, so you can just refresh it from here. Again, it will take you to the custom GPT. And for example, if I just remove this instruction, and now if I just say it, okay, let's wait for it to get refresh. Okay, so if it's buffering, that means it is refreshing. Okay, now after that you can say ask again, how many non-veg pizzas you have, question mark. Okay, and click on enter button. So now it will going to give you the answer. So you can see the power of instructions. So whatever you will going to write over here as well, of course you can tell to your GPT builder as well. But if you manually want to write something or give some instructions, so you can just give the instructions over here to your custom GPT. Okay, now guys, we will going to talk about the knowledge. So you can upload some file content. So you can see if you upload files in the knowledge, the conversation with the GPT may include file contents. Okay, file can be a downloadable when code interpreter is enabled. So make sure guys, here the code interpreter you guys can see, make sure you just enable it, then only this knowledge base will going to perform better. Okay, so it's very much important for you guys to enable it. Okay, so make sure you tick mark it, and you can upload your file. Okay, so maybe you can upload any file. Maybe you're doing some business, so you can just upload your terms and condition file over here. Okay, so maximum you can put 10 files. Okay, and similarly you can put maybe some details about your product and service. Anything means anything. Okay, so for example, in my case I have these Domino's menus. Okay, so I can say or I can create one, let's say PDF. Okay, I can just create one PDF and I can just write here, let's say do not discuss about this below items. Okay, so I can just make it big. Awesome, right? So let's put it, let's say I do not want to include about, let's say, pastas. Okay, so I can just copy that. Let's say this is the tikka masala pasta veg, right? And I do not want to include this. Okay, sorry, wait, let me just paste the font from the browser. Okay, and second item is, let's say this creamy tomato veg pasta. I can just copy that as well. Okay, and I can say and I have said that do not discuss about these below items. Okay, so similarly you can upload your terms and condition file, details about your product and service, your business, let's say your team members, the details and all, and you can just upload anything you want. But in my experience, these GPTs do not read images properly, so they are only good at text, right? So let's say you can just convert this, let's say, to PDF. Okay, or you can basically it's not necessary. Okay, you can even upload this file as well, which is very great. So I can just save it, do not include, you can just name it anything. Okay, so here you can see I have put this do not include file. So I can just click on this upload files, and you can just go to text, you can upload this file over here and wait for it to get uploaded. Now I can see it's uploaded, and in your instruction, which you can see up here, I have uploaded one file name. Okay, do not include. Okay, so inside that file there are some menu items which if any user will ask related to that item, so tell them it is not available. Awesome. Okay, so you can just put this type of thing over here. So now basically you have also given the instruction. Now your custom GPT will going to read that document and it will going to respond on basis of that. Okay, so let's wait for it to work. Okay, now it's buffering. Now it's done. It has read the document. That means, okay, so for example, if I ask something related to, let's say this one, creamy tomato pasta dish, so I can say, hey, can you tell me about creamy tomato item? Click on enter button and it will going to analyze. Why? Because code interpreter is on, so it's reading the document. And you can see, as we have said in the instruction, that when anyone will going to ask related to that item, say them that it's not available. So you can see your custom GPT has said that it's currently not available, right? So that's how, my friends, this works. And you can see your GPT is so powerful. So you can upload knowledge base, you can just upload your terms and condition, details about your product and service, anything means anything, and you can just give the instruction to read the knowledge base, which file and all. It will going to do that task for you. So now guys, we have talked about the instructions, we have talked about the knowledge. Okay, and now we have these capabilities. You remember we have lots of capabilities and the action tab, and here you will see the additional thing which is related to the action. Now guys, these are some advanced topic which require some more efforts, right? So in that short period of time in this free course, it will not be possible for me to explain you about these capabilities and how you can use it in your custom GPT. But as a beginner level, for every one of you, these instructions and knowledge is enough for you. But still, you want to become master in using custom GPTs with capabilities and actions, so you can use Zapier. So for that, we have just created one course. So you can just go to kukucourses.com, same website, click on the courses tab, and here just search for custom GPT. Click on enter and you will see create a custom GPT with your data. Okay, so this is 3-hour course. Now just click on this course, and my friends, this is a very high professional course, okay, related to the custom chat GPT. And here you can see it's totally 3 hours course, right? So inside this particular course, we have included everything about how to use the knowledge, instructions, conversation starters, capabilities, actions in more professional way. Okay, so everything, the technical part and everything has been taught in this course. So if you are interested, I will also going to attach the related courses link in the very down in the bonus lesson. Okay, so you can check that, or you can just come to our website and you can check this course. And if you see the curriculum, lot many things has been taught here, like custom GPT and edit it. Okay, basic things like what is GPT and all, edit your custom GPT, essential terms about GPT and all, right? You can also, we have also told you about how to protect your custom GPT which you will going to create. Okay, conversation starters, what is revert and update settings. Okay, there are very amazing instructions, tips which we have given in this course, how you can get the free traffic, maybe if you have a website. So using custom GPT, how you can get free traffic to your website. Okay, and we have also discussed about all the capabilities, web browsing, Delhi and code interpreter. What are all these capabilities? Working with knowledge, we have taught in more in-depth way. Okay, and how you can use it in a more powerful way. And here you will going to see we have the option of actions, right? So how to use the actions. So that is what we have said you, okay, in practical knowledge using Zapier and API. Okay, so that is the total advanced level topic we haven't covered in this beginners course. but if you guys are interested, you can just explore our website. So here you will going to see all of them. You can just simply click on the get membership. So it's not about the this course, okay. Basically you can see in this, if you click on courses, you will going to get all our courses through our membership. So OpenAI course, Postman course, okay, value investing. So we have plenty of courses like Daily e-course, right? So you can see there are plenty of courses on different topics. We have a lot of courses like build and sell, APIs for passive income, and you can just proceed more. There are plenty of courses. So we provide all these courses through our membership. So you can just put your set username, email, first name, last name, set your password. In the lifetime you can just put 50 discount, click on apply button. So through our membership you can access all the course. So if you're interested, you can take our membership, select I'm not a robot, click on register and make payment. And one more thing, for some reason if the payment gets failed or you are unable to pay directly from our website, so in that case you can pay us manually. Click on this support option, click on unable to make payment, click here button. So you can see some countries we do not allow directly, okay, like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and many more. Or even if you face any problem, so you can pay us manually as well. We have two methods, method 1 and method 2. Method 2 is especially for people living in India, so they can just buy the yearly or lifetime plan. I always recommend everyone to go with the lifetime plan, okay. And here also you can use the same thing, 50 discount coupon to get it 50% off, or you can even go with the yearly plan. Or we have method 1 for all countries, so you can just click on buy yearly or buy lifetime. So here you can see the yearly will going to cost you $20 per year. We also have the lifetime, and here also you can use the same 50 discount coupon, click on apply. So you will going to access to the lifetime plan of our membership, okay. And through the lifetime you can access to all our courses for lifetime. And the best thing is that whenever we upload new courses, so you can also access to the new courses as well for absolutely free because of our membership. So make sure you guys take our membership if you are interested, and if you want to gain lots of knowledge, this will really going to help you. But for now, for this action criteria, it's not basically possible for us to teach now because it's a complicated topic. And you can see in our expert course, 3 hours course only we have taught, and in this free course we are not allowed to give you the more content because of rules, okay, by platform where you are watching it, okay. So that's it, okay. And make sure you just explore our website, or if you do not want to buy membership, so we have also attached the link of the individual courses in the bonus lesson, so you can also check that out, okay. In this course only, just go to very down bonus lesson, you can explore all other courses as well. So this is all about the configure settings. We have this visibility settings. If you will going to notice here in the save, so you can use this GPT only for you, okay. Maybe you have created one GPT for your specific purpose, okay, or for your personal use, so you can just click on only me and confirm. Otherwise you can also use it with anyone with the link, okay. So people who will going to have this link can only access your GPT, or you can also make it public as well, okay. So let's click on the public for now, click on the confirm button. Let's wait for it to get it done, okay, in the public, okay. So let's wait for a few seconds, sometimes it may take time. And here you can see now your Domino's specialist GPT is created, and you can see your GPT over here. This will be added over here, okay. So you can simply click here, and for some reason if you want to edit it, you can just click on edit GPT. Again it will take you to the configure settings, and from here you can just check the instructions. And do not worry, when you will going to edit it, again everything will going to lose, that means your previous instructions, but do not worry, it will be saved here in the instructions, okay. So that's it. And in this way you guys can create your custom GPT and you can use it. Now you can ask it anything related to Domino's, it will going to answer on the basis of the instructions, knowledge base which you have added. Okay, so whatever knowledge base you have added and whatever knowledge and whatever instruction you have added, on that basis it will going to answer each and everything about the user input, okay, or user question, right? So that's all about the visibility of your custom GPT. Let's test it. So for example, I can say hey, can you list down pizzas available to available. Okay, I can question mark, click on enter button. So now it will going to list down the pizzas that will be available. Okay, it's analyzing. Okay, okay. So here you guys can see that these are the list of pizzas that are available for now. Okay, so let's okay, click on copy. Okay, so sorry, we have put the pizza, so instead of that let's put pastas. Click on save and continue. Let's see the response now. It's analyzing and you can see the code here. So basically you don't have to do anything with this Python code. It's just the internal thing, but in case if you want to see anything, you can see that over here. Okay, so it will going to analyze it will going to search for that on browser. Okay, if it doesn't have any details, and it will going to give you all the answers, right? And for example, it's if you remember that we have said that please note the availability of this pasta dishes may vary from the location. If you have any problem, just contact on this email. So you if you will going to remember that in the instructions we have said that if someone wants to contact us, put this email. So it has done that. That means our custom GPT is working absolutely fine. Let's now take about this. Okay, so I just copy that and I can say hey, can you tell me about tikka masala pasta veg. Now let's see. You can see that it's not currently not available. Why? Because in our instructions we have given the knowledge base that do not include this pasta. So because of that, and in the instructions also we have told that. Okay, so you all remember that, right? So what we can see now is that our custom GPT is working absolutely fine, and whatever you will going to write that, so it will be show up here, pizza menu listing. Okay, and if you want to open a new chat, okay, so you can just click on this pencil button, so it will going to open new chat for you. Otherwise you can just click on this option here. Okay, so it will going to open new chat. So for example, hi, if I just write hi, so now you will going to see your previous question, new chat, or your previous pizza menu listing one. Okay, now it's under the Domino's specialist GPT. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to move to other custom GPT, even ChatGPT, you can move. Let's say if you want to get the answer from ChatGPT, or if you have some question related to get your another GPT, you can move that like that. Okay, so that's how you guys can create your custom GPT, and we have tested it. Everything is working absolutely fine.